Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a base. Record a 30-second sample so you know what to change and keep it. Once done, hydrate with about 500 ml of room temperature water and avoid caffeine for 1/2 hour to reduce constriction. Then, adopt an open, tall posture. Place one hand on your abdomen and take 5 diaphragmatic breaths, slow and steady. These steps prime your vocal folds and breath support, so you can move into targeted exercises without strain or bad habits. You now work on the middle. Do pitch slides, 3 sets of 5 reps, gliding low to high and back to increase range and flexibility. Once comfortable, switch to resonance drills, nasal hums and forward placement to move tone from throat to mask. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds per rep. Then practice articulation with exaggerated consonants for 2 minutes. This sharpens clarity and reduces muffled quality. Make sure to alternate gentle rest breaths between sets so you avoid fatigue and track progress. You finish by integrating and polishing. Read aloud for 2 to 3 minutes using your adjusted pitch and resonance, then record and compare to your initial sample so you objectively hear change. Once done, practice prosody for 5 minutes, vary pace, pause deliberately, and emphasize keywords to make the voice expressive and natural. If you notice hoarseness or pain, stop immediately, rest for 24 hours, use warm steam inhalation, and consult an ENT or speech therapist if symptoms persist beyond a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.